Legitimate reward apps pay users for completing tasks like playing games, scanning receipts, or answering surveys, not for leaving 5-star reviews in the App Store or Google Play. By the end of this video, you'll know 5 reward apps that don't require you to submit an App Store rating just to earn rewards, and what you should always watch out for. The first app is eFreeCashing. FreeCash rewards users for completing sponsored game offers, surveys, and online tasks. Your earnings are based on finishing eligible activities, not on rating the app. If you enjoy the platform, leaving a review is completely optional. Next is Fetch. Fetch lets users earn points by scanning shopping receipts and purchasing eligible products. The app's reward system focuses entirely on qualifying receipts and promotions. Writing an App Store review isn't part of the earning process. Third is Swagbucks. Swagbucks has been rewarding users for surveys, shopping offers, games, and other online activities for years. Points are earned through listed tasks inside the platform, and your App Store rating has no effect on your rewards or redemption eligibility. The fourth option is Cashgiraffe. Android users earn rewards by playing supported mobile games. The app tracks gameplay activity rather than App Store reviews, so you can continue earning whether you leave a rating or not. The fifth app is JustPlay. JustPlay rewards users for playing games from its library and redeeming eligible earnings through supported payout methods. Like the other apps on this list, your rewards are connected to gameplay instead of public reviews. Here's why this matters. Some low-quality apps encourage users to leave positive ratings before unlocking certain features or rewards. That's very different from a legitimate app, occasionally asking for feedback after you've been using it. A trusted reward app may invite you to rate the app, but it shouldn't require a 5-star review to earn or redeem rewards. Before installing any reward app, read the task descriptions carefully and make sure every earning opportunity is listed inside the app itself. If the platform asks you to leave a positive review before you can cash out, that's a good reason to be cautious and look for a more transparent alternative. If you're looking for reward apps that focus on real earning activities instead of App Store ratings, FreeCash, Fetch, Swagbucks, Cashgiraffe, and JustPlay are all solid choices. If this comparison helped you avoid misleading reward apps, leave a like, subscribe, and check out our other videos covering the best reward apps for 2026.